Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 1 and Schedule 3 to the Companies Act 2013. A review of Ind AS financial statements takes 16 to 24 hours. It is a humble request that if you find this video useful, please contribute your desired amount by scanning the QR code given in the slides. A listed company in its published financial statements has disclosed a note disaggregating the items aggregated with other liabilities line item in balance sheet. The note has presented three line items: revenue received in advance, statutory dues payable, and deferred income arising from government grant. In our view, the disclosure is not in accordance with Ind AS 1 and Schedule 3 to the Companies Act 2013. The reason for the same is explained in the next slide. Para 116 of Ind AS 115 requires a revenue recognized in the reporting period that was included in the contract liability balance at the beginning of the period to be disclosed in notes. The company has not disclosed this information in the note in which the line item revenue recognized in advance has been disclosed. Further, the company has not crossed a reference to any note disclosing the information required by para 116 of Ind AS 115. This lack of cross-reference is not in accordance with para 113 of Ind AS 1 and clause 4.2 of general instructions for preparation and presentation of financial statements of a company required to comply with the Ind AS of Division 2 and Division 3 of Schedule 3 to the Companies Act 2013. Moreover, the company has presented notes in a scattered manner, which is considered as presentation of obscuring information by para 7 of Ind AS 1. Accordingly, the company has not complied with Ind AS 1 and Schedule 3 to the Companies Act 2013. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your contribution. Hope you found this video useful. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them in PDF in near publishing format to info@gapadvisors.com.